Decadent Coffee Liqueur Chocolate Cheesecake Recipe. Hello, foodies. Welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. Today, we have a treat for all the coffee and chocolate lovers out there, a mouthwatering coffee liqueur chocolate cheesecake. This indulgent dessert is perfect for special occasions or when you simply want to satisfy your sweet cravings. So, let's dive into the recipe. Ingredients. 2 cups chocolate cookie crumbs. 1/2 cup melted butter. 3 packages, 24 ounces, cream cheese, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 3 large eggs. 1 cup sour cream. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup cocoa powder. 1/2 cup brewed strong coffee, cooled. 1/4 cup coffee liqueur. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Crust preparation. In a bowl, combine chocolate cookie crumbs and melted butter. Press the mixture into the base of a springform pan to create an even crust. Place the crust in the refrigerator to set while preparing the filling. Cheesecake filling. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, beat the cream cheese until smooth. Add sugar and continue beating until well combined. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Mix in sour cream, flour, and cocoa powder until the batter is smooth. Incorporate brewed coffee, coffee liqueur, and vanilla extract into the mixture. Gently fold in the chocolate chips. Assembling and baking. Pour the cheesecake batter over the prepared crust in the springform pan. Smooth the top with a spatula for an even surface. Bake in the preheated oven for 55-60 minutes or until the center is set. Allow the cheesecake to cool in the oven with the door ajar for about an hour. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight to ensure it's fully chilled. Garnish and serve. Once chilled, carefully remove the cheesecake from the springform pan. Garnish with chocolate shavings or a dusting of cocoa powder. Slice and serve this delightful coffee liqueur chocolate cheesecake to your eager guests. There you have it, our irresistible coffee liqueur chocolate cheesecake. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Miss Coffee Baby for more delicious treats, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts and photos if you decide to recreate this masterpiece. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.